The summer months now, we're looking for some light, fun food. Of course, kids are home from school and we need to keep them entertained. So entertain them by getting them in the kitchen. Gina Sunderland of Manitoba Chicken joining me today, or actually I'm joining her in her kitchen. Gina, these look like fun. Who doesn't love pizza? Like I said, kids, but of all ages.
Of course, and flatbreads are delicious, and like you said, the weather's beautiful, and my favorite thing to do is outdoor dining. So whether it's poolside or packing up the kids and going for a picnic to the park, these flatbreads are delicious. So we've got our barbecue chicken flatbread, and we've also got our butter chicken flatbread, and these just come together as a quick appetizer, snack, light lunch, supper, so wonderful for entertaining.
Love it. So obviously chicken was the main ingredient in both. That's the first thing we're going to cook up.
Right. So I have a great time-saving tip. I like to roast up a whole pan of chicken, and then I can shred it, I can cube it, I can use it for all kinds of recipes like these flatbreads. But did you know, Terry, that you can actually freeze cooked chicken?
Love this.
Yeah, for 3 months, so it makes it super easy. So I'll shred some, I'll cube some, and then I'll just pull out what I need for recipes like the one we're going to pull together right now.
And you tell me that you portion it in advance too, and that way it's ready to go.
I love using containers. 1 cup portions are perfect. I label it and then pull it out the night before, and then we're ready to roll with all kinds of delicious recipes. So flatbreads, pizzas, salads,
like what we're going to make today.
Okay. The sky's the limit. Okay, so our barbecue chicken flatbreads are delicious. They're one of our top favorite recipes, and they come together so quickly. So we're just going to start it with a little bit of barbecue sauce that we're going to spoon it on there. And I'll spread it around. Yeah, a couple tablespoons, and then the rest. I think that looks great. So the rest, Terry, I am going to get you to add to our shredded chicken.
I gotcha.
Because we just want that barbecue flavor infused. And you just buy flatbread, you buy barbecue sauce. This travels well, so if you're going to your lake or cottage, this is perfect to prep in advance. Okay, and here we go, Terry.
All right, so now it's basically layering this up, and this is where you can be creative, get the kids involved, right?
For sure. Yeah, and I'm going to get you to put that right on this flatbread.
Excellent. We'll spread it out a little bit.
Yeah, so the recipe calls for about 2 cups of shredded chicken, so about 2 good-sized chicken breasts. And then, of course, we layer the flavors on this one.
All right.
So
what are some of the things that you've chosen here?
Okay, so we've got some crumbled bacon.
Excellent.
And we've got jalapeno peppers. And we're just going to put that on. So you know what? You can customize these. If you don't like jalapenos, you can use a different kind of sweet pepper.
I'm just going to add some more. I had an empty spot.
You had an empty spot. That looks perfect now. So we've got red onion, a little sweeter, a little milder. And this recipe, there's 2 kinds of cheese.
Oh, bring it on, Gina.
Okay, we've got our traditional mozzarella. And we've got a smoked Gouda. I've used Monterey.
Oh, that sounds Gouda.
Mm-hmm. And it just goes in the oven, 425, till the cheese melts, about 10 to 12 minutes. You can slice this in little squares for an appetizer.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, or larger pieces for a light meal. And then we've got our butter chicken flatbreads. You just buy naan bread, you mix your shredded chicken with butter chicken sauce and top it with cheese and a little bit of cilantro when it comes out of the oven.
Of course, both of these recipes on your website.
manitobachicken.ca.
Love it, Gina.
Enjoy the outdoor dining, Terry.
Brought to you by